我们早上8点开会。
We have a meeting at 8 a.m. We have a meeting at 8 a.m. We have a meeting at 8 a.m.
我没收到那笔钱。
I did not receive the money. I did not receive the money. I did not receive the money.
能给我一张收据吗？
Can you give me a receipt? Can you give me a receipt? Can you give me a receipt?
我的客户在打电话。
My client is on the phone. My client is on the phone. My client is on the phone.
有客人在等你。
There's a customer waiting for you. There's a customer waiting for you. There's a customer waiting for you.
这个会议就是在浪费时间。
This meeting is a waste of time. This meeting is a waste of time. This meeting is a waste of time.
我认为我们达成协议了。
I think we have an agreement. I think we have an agreement. I think we have an agreement.
交易棒极了。
This is a great deal. This is a great deal. This is a great deal.
你在这里工作多久了？
How long have you worked here? How long have you worked here? How long have you worked here?
我在这里工作2年了。
I have worked here for 2 years. I have worked here for 2 years. I have worked here for 2 years.